Hey, it's Tesla Canuck. So what we are looking at here is a pretty big stone chip. I guess it's more like a spider web, but didn't actually take a chunk of the glass out, but it's definitely, the circumference is probably bigger than a quarter. I'm going to take it to a local auto glass shop to see if they can fix it. Hopefully they can. I'll let you guys know what the result is, because replacing this entire glass is probably not cheap. So hopefully they can inject some resin in there and fix it that way. So I'm off to the auto glass place, and I will be back with the result, and hopefully it's a good one. Hey, I'm at a place called the Glass Doctor, and they've taken a look at the stone chip. And I guess not all stone chips can be repaired with the resin. Fortunately for me, it looks like this one can be. It's a little bit on the larger size in terms of the circumference of the damage, but hopefully this goes well, and I'll be back with an update. All right, I'm back. Well, that did not go as planned. As soon as they started to pump the resin in, the windshield started to crack. So uh, looks like this is going to be part one of a two-part series. I have to take the car to Tesla to get the front windshield replaced. There's a calibration that needs to be done because of the cameras for the autopilot. So this is going to turn into an adventure, which I will document. But just to kind of tell you what would have happened. And first of all, this is not the fault of the glass repair shop. This happens with stone chips. It's hit or miss. Either it's going to work, especially when they're that big, or it's not. And I knew that going in, and they told me, they were quite upfront about it. This is a great place. They've got a great reputation, so it's not their fault. But anyhow, what would have happened if it worked is it would have cost $89, or if I went through insurance, it would have been free. However, I probably just would have paid it. I just don't like dealing with insurance companies, and if I don't have to. So anyhow, that's the part one of a two-part series. Stay tuned for the full windshield replacement done at Tesla. So that will be coming very soon to this channel. Tesla Canuck, over and out.